Since 1956, Tech Manufacturing has been providing world-class machining and assembly to customers in the aerospace and defense markets. Tech Manufacturing specializes in precision machining of complex aerospace structures. These complete components are constructed of thin-walled, monolithic, hard metal and aluminum, designed specifically for aerospace parts in capacities of commercial, military, and business airframes. Our team provides elegant manufacturing solutions with the highest level of machining skills. Precision, quality parts, and superb customer service are the foundation of why Tech Manufacturing has been a trusted supplier to large aerospace manufacturers for over 60 years. In 2018, Tech Manufacturing joined the Domail family of companies. The resulting combination delivers a broader solution to customers. Domail family of companies is a worldwide provider of innovative solutions within the aerospace and defense high-tech industries and a leading OEM of fiber optic polishing equipment. Considered an expert in multi-axis machining, Tech Manufacturing offers 3, 4, and 5-axis machining of soft and hard metals. Our part size extends up to 166 inches. Typical materials manufactured from extrusion, casting, forging, and plate include aluminum, titanium, beryllium copper, stainless steel, AirMet 100, and Inconel. We have fully implemented lean manufacturing processes to deliver the highest quality precision machined aerospace parts. Our lean manufacturing process starts with organizing parts into part families. The part families are assigned to machine cells designed to specifically handle each part family. Regular monitoring of specific metrics for each cell allows a clear focus on continuous improvement as well as positively impacting predictability, throughput, and on-time deliveries. Our team and equipment play an extremely important role in maintaining our proven record of quality and delivery performance. Tech Manufacturing utilizes a scanning tip probe Zeiss coordinate measuring machine, or CMM, operating on the latest Calypso computer-aided inspection software to support our quality control processes. Our impeccably skilled work has been recognized through several awards and certifications, which include certifications in both AS9100 and ISO 9001, fracture critical and traceable part compliant, ITAR registered, and Digital Product Definition, or DPD, certified. Tech Manufacturing has full DPD capabilities approved by customers including Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Gulfstream, and several Tier 1 contractors. Our engineering team is fluent with complex models and has several software packages that allow digital data to be securely received, translated, and validated through a robust AS9102 First Article Inspection, or FAI, process. Tech Manufacturing has a robust and thorough quality planning process that begins as soon as the customer's purchase order is received. Our sophisticated quality plan is developed using Discus FAI software and begins before any other engineering activities, which ensures requirements are met and understood throughout the entire planning process. Quality plans, including AS9102 forms, go through a rigorous review process, ensuring all requirements are captured and flow correctly into production documents. Tech Manufacturing utilizes the most current CAD/CAM software to support manufacturing processes from prototyping to full production runs. We also support a variety of other drawing formats and specifications. Our ERP and supply chain management systems synchronize the manufacturing, addressing everything from encrypting and vaulting data to flowing contractual obligations throughout our supply chain. Tech focuses on adding value through building a strong team and by working in conjunction with local technical colleges. Our talented group recently earned the Top Shops Award from Modern Machine Shop. Whether your organization needs help with manufacturing input, prototype machining, or a highly competent supplier for built-to-print applications, we encourage you to make Tech Manufacturing your key contract manufacturing partner. Please visit our website at techmanufacturing.com.